Hi everybody, I am here today to talk with you about a new project that I'll be doing for the month of July. So this year I will be participating in the third annual Crafty Christmas in July event that is hosted by Terry from Sweet Pea Papers and Lisa from Paper Lace and Bling. Now with this event throughout the month of July, there are multiple collaborators and we will all be posting videos throughout the month, Christmas themed. So there'll be lots and lots of videos, and you can check the links in the description box below so that you can check out all of those different YouTube channels that are providing the different videos. And also, both Terry and Lisa are offering different specials in their shops for the month of July, so you want to check those out too. Now for this video, I'm going to start by going through and opening up this package here. This was provided by Lisa from Paper Lace and Bling, and just some supplies and things that we can use in our projects. Then after we go through this, I will begin to share with you what my project is going to be and give you an overview of what to expect for this month. So with this package, first, there's this really nice sheer ribbon that's got silver glitter snowflakes on it. It's really pretty and it's really soft, surprising for some glitter. I'm going to set that aside. Then I'm going to go into the roll and look and see what we have here. So here we have a piano roll, and this one has some pretty paper that's got some leaves on it that's great for Christmas. Both of these items are sold in Lisa's shop, Paper Lace and Bling, so she offers the parchment paper in rolls and sheets, and then only in rolls the piano paper. So you can check out both of those in her shop if you were interested in those. So we have lots of laces here, just different samples and types. Definitely would be great for a journal, an album, a scrapbook page, even cards. So lots of options here. And these do come from Lisa's store. And right now she is offering a special that if you purchase from her shop and follow her, she's going to be giving a free yard of lace if you buy over $15 worth of product. So probably won't be hard with all these pretty trims and laces. So we've got this one here. It's got some gold metallic running through it. Then we've got some green trim here. Some white trim. Lots of different styles. So there's a lot of possibilities here and different things that you could do with all this. So I have not actually decided yet at the time of this unboxing what I'm going to be making for my project, but I will know before we go on to the next part of this video what my project is going to be for the month of July. I do know it's going to be something Christmas themed, obviously, but I haven't really decided what exactly I want to make. So we've got some bigger pieces now here. And then a Christmas napkin. And then this baggie is full of buttons, different shades and styles. So definitely lots of ways to use these too. So these are some of the supplies that I will be working into my project. And obviously I will be using some other supplies too. So again, this is from Lisa at Paper, Lace, and Bling, and her shop is linked in the description box below if you want to check out what she has to offer and take advantage of some of the specials that she has going on through the month of July. Also, don't forget to check out the rest of the collaborators for this project. Click on the links below because there are lots of fun projects that you can watch and participate in, and probably some really exciting giveaways too. Stay tuned next as we talk more about my project for the month. For my Christmas in July project, I have decided to try something completely new, and if this works, it will be a new product that I'll offer in my Etsy shop and on my website. So I made this on my Glowforge. It is a leatherette material, so it is red on one side and gray on the inside. Now these are engraved, so there's black underneath of this, so it's a two-tone. And I designed this edge here, similar to the mini albums that I make. I like my covers to have unique edges. It's got the holes in it already, so it's going to be kind of like a traveler's notebook style, but I'm going to make a December daily. So the way this is going to go together, I'll put the elastic in it in just a minute. This is going to fold over, and then this here will be that cover just to give it a little bit of extra just decoration. And then I can decorate this with papers or napkin decoupage. Haven't decided yet, obviously, what I'm going to do, but there's a lot of opportunities here. Now, the size that I have designed this for is so that I can take an 8.5 by 11 piece of paper and I can cut it in half, and then I'll have the 5.5 by 8.5, folding that in half and making my booklets. They will fit in here. So it's not the size of a typical traveler's notebook. It's actually a little tiny bit larger, but if it's a DIY, then I figure it's easier if it's 8.5 by 11. So for this project, I've decided that I'm going to add some little eyelets here. I want to put my eyelets in these holes. Now I don't have to do this. This is just more of a decorative thing than anything else. But I've got my eyelets and I'm going to use my Crop-A-Dial to set them. I have the smallest eyelets. They actually fit in those holes. And I'm just going to go ahead and apply all 7 of these into the holes, and then I'm going to add my elastic in. So if you are doing this at home and you are not using a cover that already has this, you can make your own. You can use fabric. You can get a piece of leather from the craft store and you can hand cut this, or you might be able to cut it on a Cricut maker. I'm not sure, I don't have the Cricut maker, but I know it does cut different materials. But if this goes well, I will have these for sale also in my Etsy shop, which I will link in the description box below. So if you're making this at home out of your own material, this is 11 3/4 inches by 5 7/8 of an inch. Next, I'm going to take some elastic cording. I got this at one of the craft stores a long time ago. I'm not sure which one, it might have been Michael's. So first I have a piece of my elastic and I've cut this to 27 inches. I'm going to take my elastic and come up through this middle hole, just having a small tail. Then I'm going to take the other end up through the other hole, string it across, and down through. Then I'm going to go up through this next hole in the center, down through the other hole in the center. Then I'll come up through and go down through this one and up through this center hole here. I want to make sure my strings are snug but not too tight that the cover starts to curl. And then I'm going to just tie them in a knot in the center. So now I have my places for my notebooks to go in here. Now you can leave these strings long, or you can clip these so that they're smaller. I'm just going to leave mine how they are. I've taken another piece of elastic cording. It is about 14 inches long, and I am just going to take the two ends and knot them together. And about 1.5 inches in. So my loop is about 10 inches total. So I just put it like this, it's 5 inches. And then I'm going to take this and loop it up through this hole so that the knot catches on that. And then I'm going to close this like this. Now, once I have my notebooks inside of here, I will actually probably need to change the size of my elastic cording, but I will do that a little bit later. So for now, this is my booklet, and I'm going to just smash it down here a little bit and here, just to give it a little bit of a shape so that it starts to curl a little bit easier. So here is my cover so far, and now I can begin making my little booklets and pages, or my signatures for my December daily. Don't forget to check out all of the other YouTube channels. They're linked in the description box below. So all month long, there will be tons and tons and tons of Christmas videos for you to watch. There's going to be some different giveaways and specials throughout the month too. So don't forget to check out all those links below. See you in the next video.